Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to play YouTube music in background. How to play YouTube music in the background. And the first thing you do is open up your YouTube music app. Now there are various reasons why you might want to play YouTube music in the background. So let's get started. Now there are a couple of ways you can play YouTube music in the background. The first method is the most efficient method, and that is by subscribing to YouTube Music Premium. This is the easiest way actually to play YouTube music in the background, because with a premium subscription you can listen to music in the background even with your screen off. Unfortunately, I did not subscribe to YouTube music in the background, YouTube Music Premium, so I cannot play YouTube music in my background right now. But the other ways I can do it, and the first way I can do it is I can use a browser. So I just go to take my browser, Google browser for example, and then type in YouTube music website. So type in YouTube music. So using the website that is music.youtube.com, tap on it. Now from here, you tap on the three dots, that is the three dots menu button, and select desktop site. Three dots menu button, and then choose desktop site, as you can see, and then that's it. Now I can play music in the background. So I can switch to something else by playing music. So choose the music you want. Skip the ads. So now I have to pause the music so I can say what's next. Then I cannot go somewhere else and do something else while it keeps playing in the background. So that's it. If you're using Safari, tap the button that's the little A and the capital A button. That will help you select the request desktop set website, and then you do the same thing. Can I play music in the background? Then additionally, if you don't use a browser, you can also use a floating player. Some browsers and devices support a floating player that allows you to control the music while using other apps. Ensure you have the latest version of YouTube Music app, as updates often brings new features and improvements. You can also consider using a third-party app. While it is not officially supported, some third-party apps can help you play YouTube music in the background, but use them with caution as they might violate YouTube's terms of service. Remember, the best way to enjoy YouTube music in the background without any limitations is by subscribing to YouTube Music Premium.